Okay, here's the big guy. Here's the formula for arithmetic sequences. So the nth term, which means any term, any number I can give you, I say 20, 30, 40, the 40th term, the nth term of an arithmetic sequence can be found using the following formula. So a sub n, we call it a sub n, because n is down a little bit less than a. A sub n equals a sub 1, and I'll tell you what these guys mean, plus d, the common difference, times n minus 1. Okay, that's the sequence. So a sub n is that nth term. Okay, and then d is the common difference, which we learned about already. Then a sub 1 is the first term. Okay, so we're going to do 10 and 11, and then the other page we're going to do in class together. So let's figure out what are they asking us to do for 10 and 11. Write the rule for the nth term using this formula, and then find a 19th, which is the 19th term. Okay, so let's figure out, we have to figure out the d and the first term, okay? Well, the first term is 7. The d, 7, how do I get from 7 to 13? Well, I add 6, add 6, add 6, so it's 6. Okay, so let's plug it into the formula. So a sub n equals 7 plus 6 times n minus 1. And we want to simplify this down as much as we can. Okay, so this I distribute. 7 plus 6 times n is 6n. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. So my formula is, well, 7 minus 6 is 1. That's a 1 plus 6n. Okay? To find the 19th term, all I have to do is put 19 where there's n. So a sub 19 equals 1 plus 6 times 19, which equals 115. So we did both things. We found our formula and we found the 19th term. Okay, so let's do one more together and then we'll continue this in class tomorrow. Okay, so my A1 is 30, my D, I'm going down by 4 each time, so negative 4. So let's plug them into this formula. A sub n equals 30 minus 4, because our D is minus 4, times n minus 1. So 30, I distribute. Negative 4 times n is negative 4n. Negative 4 times negative 1 is a positive 4. So my formula, 30 plus 4 is 34 minus 4n. So there's that part. Now we need to find the 19th term. So a sub 19 equals 34 minus 4 times 19. And that equals negative 42. And we're done.